Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make PDF file in Canva in mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, the like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the search bar and type here PDF. You know, you will see many templates. So these are all PDF templates. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm going with this one, project proposal. Just click on it. Okay. Now you can edit it by clicking over here on its text and just click on edit. You can write whatever you want. Also, you can add elements from here on bottom. Just click on elements and type, like if you want to add circle, just type circle. Just click on circle, and as you can see, circle is added. So that's how you can make a PDF in Canva. If you want to add text, just click on text, click on add a text box and write whatever you want. Now just go on top right corner and click on this icon, click on download, and under file type, click on this drop down arrow and make sure you have selected PDF standard. Now select pages which you want in your PDF, 1, 2, 3, 4, and click on done, and after that just click on download. So here's a quick guide uh, on how you can make PDF file in Canva. Thanks for watching.